What is up, guys? Andrew Zakariak back in, and today I got a box of the all-new 2020 Topps Finest Baseball. Picked this up on the local card shop. It was actually only $140. It's going for about $140, $150. My second box, I thought I was recording another video, but it didn't record, so let me go ahead and open this up. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel for lots of box breaks. We got a whole lot going on, especially now. Been in Virginia Beach, gotta recap you guys on some stuff. I'll have that video coming up on some things that I've bought and everything. Let's get into this. Okay. First pack. Can we pull something good? Anthony Rendon. Oh, wow. Chipper Jones at a 25. Can we pull something good? And there we go. Chipper Jones out of 25 on-card auto. That's just, wow. 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 Let me sleep that up. Wow. Wow. I am speechless, guys. I am speechless. That's beautiful. Orange on-card auto of Chipper Jones. Let's just look at that real quick. Wow, it's a beauty. That is beautiful. Wow. I was really thinking, you know, man, I'd love to pull like a short print of some sort, and there we go. We got Kyle Lewis. Lewis Robert, that's cool. Carrasco and Bieber. Giancarlo and Tim Anderson. Not a bad rookie in Lewis Robert. That was cool. Out of that pack. Yasmani, Dustin May, and the man. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice one to get. Mike Trout, the man. Not a bad box so far. Guerrero, Jose Barrios. Wow, not too bad so far. Not bad at all. Got a Mike Trout, the man. Lewis Robert, rookie. Bogarts, Hosmer, Walker Buehler, Goldie, and Pete Alonso. Charlie Morton, Noah, at a 150, Justin Verlander. That's pretty cool. That's another nice one. AJ Puck and Scherzer. Last pack until the next mini box. We'll have one more nice little auto coming up, hopefully. Oh, we got a rookie. Bo Bichette. Cool. That's nice. That's pretty. And rookie of Zach Collins. Cool. Wow. What a start, guys. I mean, seriously. On to the next mini box. Hopefully we can finish up with something good, something nice. JD Martinez, and it is, wow, what in the world? Gavin Lux autograph after we just got a Chipper Jones? What is going on? What a box. I'm just flabbergasted. Wow. Wow. Gavin Lux. Wow. Gotta get another top loader, but wow. Here's the rest of the cards. Got a Bobby Bradley refractor, Nico, and Mauricio Dubon, I think. I don't know. Still new to baseball, so if I butcher some names, I apologize in advance. New to baseball and hockey, actually. Newer. The man, Mike Yastrzemski. We're not even going to say it. Bo Bichette, rookie. Cool. Dansby Swanson. Or no, Freddie Freeman. Whoops. I'm used to Dansby Swanson, to be honest. That is crazy. What a box. Victor Robles. Dan, there we go. Dansby Swanson, as I was saying. Chris Davis. And base. If you haven't already, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Yoan Moncada, Trey Turner, Aaron Cavale, Refractor Lorenzo Cain, and Dustin May, rookie. 2 packs left. We are getting there. Bregman, we got a man coming up. Baez and Dylan Cease. Something like that. Pretty cool. Rookie and Mike Clevinger. Clevinger. Who knows? At this point, I don't care. Wow, another one. Nice one. Gavin Lux. Dylan. And we got a duel. Cool. Smith and Muncy. Matt Chapman and base. So, guys, what a box. We got Gavin Lux autograph. Chipper Jones at a 25. We got a Gavin Lux base rookie. We got the Verlander at a 150. And on top of it, we got a Mike Trout, the man. So, I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks again.